Apple canceled the presentation of the new iPhone due to a coronavirus outbreak. Apple was supposed to show the new iPhone SE2 model at the presentation. Illustration: Apple canceled the presentation of new products, which was scheduled for March 31st, due to the spread of coronavirus. At this event, they were supposed to show the new iPhone SE2 model, also known as iPhone 9, and other new items, reports Gizmochina. The decision to cancel the event was made due to the fact that in Santa Clara, California, where Apple's headquarters is located, a ban on events with a number of participants more than 1,000 people. Read also: Apple has warned of a shortage of accessories and spare iPhone for exchange due to coronavirus. It is noted that Apple also considered options to hold a presentation elsewhere, or using only online press releases, but a final decision has not yet been made. It is also noted that coronavirus influenced the production of iPhone 9 and the supply chain of products. The publication notes that the option is currently being considered with the release of the device in June, but, depending on the situation, the release may again be delayed. In addition, the release of the new iPhone 12 is also likely to carry over from the usual September to October or November.